So hello everyone, today I will discuss about how to create a QR code and how to create a barcode in your iOS app by using SwiftUI. In your iOS by using SwiftUI. So first of all we are going to create an example. This is a barcode view, create a SwiftUI view. Import, firstly we will import AV Foundation framework. AV Foundation framework just like music, barcode, image and other. And second is core image framework. Import core image framework dot and CIF filter bulletins. Okay, what is core image framework? So use built-in custom filters to process still and video images. Custom framework. Okay, and custom images create and custom videos create by using core image framework. Second thing, now we're gonna create on this var context is equal to ci context. What is ci context? An evaluation context for rendering image processing results and performing image analysis. Okay, so second thing we're gonna create on this filter. Filter is equal to CIF filter dot QR code scanner, QR code generator method which is provide on this SwiftUI, QR code generator. Okay, now second thing we're gonna create on this functions. So functions, suppose which have function on this create QR code. In this function which is type of string. Suppose this is a str which is type of string and return this UI image. In this function UI image. Now we're going to create on the string, create on this UI image by using string functions. So first of all we're going to create on data. Let data is equal to data initializers and str dot utf. We're going to convert on this data utf8 image string, converting this data. Okay, and now second thing we're going to create on this apply QR code condition. So if let, and this is unwrap, so this is a QR image first, QR image. Suppose this is a QR image is equal to, that this is set on this filter. So filter dot set value for key, and this is a values data, and for key this, suppose this is a input, suppose this is a value for key set on input message. This is a provide on this QR code key input message, and set on this flat QR code image, and this is a, so if let, so this is a QR image and filter, our provided filter dot we're gonna assign on this. Suppose this is a output image. Suppose this is the output image. Filter, this is input image, this is the text data, and output image. Then create on this output image. So this we're gonna create on this breakpoint, and then second is if let, and this is a QR code image, and this is a variable name. Let's not in this. So we're gonna get this context dot create CG image, then create the string, create on this image, then in string convert in this image. So QR image, pass on this QR image, our provide on this flat QR image, and suppose this is a frame CG rect, and frame is, suppose we're gonna pass on this frame dot from QR image dot extent in method extent. Okay, and we're gonna set on this, no, Okay, now return on this image, UI image, and which is passed on initializer CG image passed on initializer. This is a QR, suppose this is a QR code image, return on this QR code image. Okay, now suppose this is a return optional, this is if let UI image and CG image, sorry, UI optional is not a CG image, this is a direct named image, and suppose whichever direct is a named empty image, otherwise notice UI image empty. Okay, this is unwrap on this image. Create CG image or not unwrap in this image. Sorry, this not sorry, and this not, and this is optional not. Okay, and no, suppose not is a name that is UI image empty initializers not apply on this initializers, show is Q. Okay, now we're gonna create on this stack view, and we're gonna create on this image, and UI image. So our function is create QR code, calling on this image direct initialize create QR code and pass on this string. So this is a risalat, and which have passed on this string, and this image is we're gonna apply on this supposing dot resizable dot frame, and this is a 200 width, and sorry 150 width and 150 height, and dot center resume on this applications. Create on this QR code image. Suppose this is a node, this is a QR code, this is a this is a QR code is this is QR code is a dashed dot interpolation dot none. This is a filter image UI, best design of filter image. This is a filters, and this QR code is scanned by using Paytm and other instruments. Suppose this is the URL pass www dot and this other website dot risalat with swift.com. This is change on this URL service.com, and this multiple elements, suppose this multiple elements, suppose change on this address, and this is a pass on this is multiple QR code generate on this QR code, this is generate on this QR code, and this by using Swift UI dot risalat with Swift create a QR code and scan on this Paytm, Google Pay, otherwise scan on code. So thank you for watching this video. You can enjoy my channel, like my videos.